Hi, this is Ed LaFamme, head harvester from the East Coast.
Head harvester Bill Arman from the West Coast.
And we are in the Mid-Coast, huh?
Yeah.
Texas.
We're in Fort Worth, Texas.
And we're with Craig, and he's with Earthtones. And how long you been here now?
I've been here since November.
Yeah, okay. And what's your book of business?
$1.5 million.
But you have big expectations, huh?
I do. I got a verbal on a job. They want me to start in June.
That is a big job.
It's a good job.
You had more than the size of your company.
Yes, sir.
That's incredible.
You know, I think it's all because he's such a great boss. He's talking about boss earlier.
Oh, no, it's a different boss, Bill.
Which boss are you talking about?
We're talking about Boss LM.
Boss LM.
Yeah.
Oh, Boss LM.
Not boss, Justin
Not
the boss.
Justin the boss.
No.
He's a good guy.
He is
Don't
a
get me
good guy.
wrong.
He's a good guy.
Well, let's talk about Boss LM.
Yeah, so you know about Boss?
I do.
How did you know about it?
When I worked for Landcare,
Okay.
that's the software that we used.
Is that right?
Yeah.
And so what do you think? What do you think, how does it help you? Let's say that.
It allows you to know your true cost on a job. Your gross margins, your rolling 12 gross margins is my biggest report I used in there.
Rolling 12. Now,
Yeah.
I understand that it'll give you gross margins by the crew. Is that true?
It'll give it by the crew, by the job. You can drill down as far as you want.
Like maybe a month or two after it's already done? When do you get the information? Like real time almost?
It is the rolling 12 obviously is a year out.
Yeah.
But you can track the margins by the week, by the month,
Wow, I love it.
By the crew.
by crew.
And what does that give you? How does that help you?
That tells you where your efficiencies are and what needs work on your business.
Do you break it out between your different revenue streams like irrigation and extra work and maintenance? You get down to that granular level?
Maintenance, irrigation, and enhancements.
You got 3 revenue streams in there. So you
So-
can your gross margins per revenue stream.
Wow.
Yes.
So
Then roll
you're,
it all up into one.
Yes.
but you're not using that now?
No, we're not.
So you're using another software program?
We are using another software program. We're going to convert to Boss.
Oh, you're
So we probably need to go talk to his boss about moving over to boss.
Yeah, that's right.
And so, but don't be real bossy about it.
No, never.
Okay?
No,
Let's see what we can do. Okay.
Okay, that's a good idea.
All right, come on.
It's been so cool meeting you.
Thank you, sir.
And all the success in your
Thanks
your
for
company.
Boss Day.
And it was really good. Yeah, never mind that boss stuff.
Oh, man.
They don't even call Justin. They don't call him boss, do they?
No.
No.
You
See
know
that?
No.
You get boss, you just drill down on your costs, you find out what exactly happened.
Hey, wait a minute.
Yeah.
We're getting ready.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I know it's Texas, but come on.
That's right. Let's go.